Welcome to the world of mystery. Our planet is full of strange and unexplained events. Despite all the advancements in science and technology, some things remain beyond our understanding. From bizarre space signals to mysterious artifacts from ancient times, today we'll take a look at 10 mind-blowing mysteries that science still can't explain. Stick with us until the end, because number one will definitely leave you wondering. In 1977, an enormous radio signal was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio. The signal, which lasted 72 seconds, was unlike anything scientists had ever heard before. It came from the constellation Sagittarius, and despite multiple attempts, no one has been able to explain its source. Some believe it was a signal from an alien civilization, while others think it could have been a natural phenomenon. What makes this even stranger is that it has never been detected again. The wow signal remains a mystery to this day. Imagine finding a book that is completely unreadable. That's exactly what the Voynich Manuscript is. Written in an unknown language, filled with bizarre illustrations of plants, strange symbols, and mysterious creatures, the manuscript has baffled experts for centuries. Linguists and cryptographers have tried and failed to decode it. Some believe it holds lost knowledge from an ancient civilization, while others think it could be an elaborate hoax. Could this be a map to something hidden in the past, or just a strange work of art? In the Russian wilderness, there is an area known as the Stone Sea. Thousands of rocks are perfectly arranged in long rows, almost like frozen waves. The rocks are not volcanic, and there are no natural explanations for their precise placement. Local legends tell of a civilization that once lived there, but to this day, no one knows how or why these stones are positioned this way. Could this be a natural phenomenon, or was it created by an unknown ancient culture? In Norway, there's a valley called Hessdalen where strange, glowing lights have been appearing in the sky for over 100 years. These lights vary in color, shape, and size, and they often move in unpredictable patterns. Scientists have studied these lights for years, but no one has been able to explain them. Could they be natural electrical phenomena, or are they something more? Some people believe they might even be related to extraterrestrial activity. In one of the driest places on Earth, the Atacama Desert in Chile, there is a giant sculpture of a hand rising from the ground. Standing over 11 meters tall, it's a striking sight against the barren landscape. The hand is made of iron and concrete and was created as part of an art installation in 1992. But the question remains, why here? Some believe the hand is a symbol of humanity's power, while others think it represents a warning of what could happen to the Earth if we don't change our ways. The Moai statues of Easter Island are some of the most famous mysteries of the world. These giant stone heads were carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1400 and 1650 AD. But how did they move these massive statues? Some weigh over 80 tons, and without modern technology, the people of Easter Island had to come up with creative methods to transport and raise them. Even today, no one fully understands how they managed to move the statues or why they were built. Could it be part of a forgotten ritual, or a way to honor their ancestors? Deep in the desert of Turkmenistan, there is a massive crater that has been burning for over 50 years, known as the Door to Hell. It was created in 1971 when Soviet scientists accidentally set fire to a natural gas field. They thought the fire would burn out quickly, but it's still raging to this day. While it's an amazing sight, the question remains, why hasn't it stopped? Some believe it's due to the vast reserves of gas below the surface, but others say the fire has a much deeper, darker origin. In 1997, hydrophones in the Pacific Ocean picked up an incredibly loud and eerie sound known as the bloop.